Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived for our pre-cruise hotel night stay at the Fairmont Hotel, Vancouver. So let's take a look. Come into the room and it's a beautiful, nice big room. This hotel is one of 3 Fairmont hotels in Vancouver and it's been here for quite a while. So it's a beautiful luxury hotel and very nice, big, spacious rooms. So you can see the room is beautiful and very large. Have a nice bench and a beautiful mirror on the wall. A lovely king-size bed. This is a deluxe king room. You have night tables on both sides of the bed. Beautiful artwork on the walls. All kinds of lovely woodworking and trim on the walls. It's very tastefully decorated. You have night lights next to the bed on both sides. Plenty of pillows, of course. You have a lovely big flat screen TV and a bottle of wine and some treats. Also have coffee service and wine glasses and other beverage glasses and an ice bucket, so very nice. And a mini bar on this side with beverages, adult beverages, alcoholic beverages, and soda. And more storage space here. So we have a lovely desk over by the window with plenty of plugs in the desk and more beautiful artwork and pictures on the wall right above the desk. Have a view of Vancouver out the window, Vancouver, British Columbia. So it's a beautiful day here. In August 23rd, so lovely sunny warm day. Have another lamp and a nice chair to rest in and an ottoman and a little coffee table for beverages or whatever. Another night table and just a beautiful, very large, spacious room and beautifully decorated. Have a separate thermostat, of course. Right in the hallway inside the door we have the restroom. So it's a huge restroom. So we have a single vanity with plenty of storage space. In the vanity, a backlit mirror, which is beautiful, a makeup mirror, plenty of storage along the side of the vanity, the facilities, of course, and a great big walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. So beautiful bathroom, very large and very luxurious. And then last but not least is this great big walk-in closet. So you can see our gigantic luggage for our Alaska cruise. And we're going up to Denali National Park afterwards, so it's almost a 2-week trip. But we have an ironing board, plenty of hanging space. You have the Fairmont robes, if you like to enjoy them. You have a mirror, or excuse me, not a mirror, an iron, a safe, and more storage space, and a luggage rack. So just a gorgeous room, quite large, very beautifully decorated, and very luxurious. So when you're ready to book your next amazing cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!